I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming essentials. Update iOS and sign into FaceTime so the service runs properly. Once done, make sure FaceTime is toggled on in settings and that your Apple ID is active. Otherwise, calls won't route. You should also test microphone and speaker using voice memos or a regular call to separate hardware failures from settings. If hardware works, proceed to connectivity checks and per-call settings, because many audio issues stem from network or per-call audio routing rather than the app itself. Once basics check out, focus on network and in-call routing. Toggle Wi-Fi and cellular to refresh connections and restart your router. Unstable networks often drop audio. If problems persist, reset network settings to clear corrupted profiles, but note you'll lose saved Wi-Fi passwords. During an active FaceTime call, tap the audio button and consciously switch between iPhone, speaker, and any Bluetooth device to force the correct output. These steps address common software or network-related causes that prevent audio from reaching you. To finish, sign out of FaceTime and your Apple ID, wait a minute, then sign back in to refresh authentication tokens. This resolves call setup failures. Update carrier settings in Settings General and unpair any Bluetooth accessories that might hijack audio. Sometimes a faulty headset stays connected. If issues continue, back up the iPhone and perform a restore to eliminate deep software corruption. Troubleshooting tip: if a restore is impractical, use another device to isolate whether the problem is account or device specific before contacting Apple support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.